Okay, good. So now we are going to discuss about the second part of the feasibility. That is called as market feasibility. This is from the marketing point of view. Previous class, we have discussed about the finance part, more technical. Some of them may find boring. That is why your face is somewhat sleeping. Hmm? Now your face has to turn bright. So I will ask question. Be ready to answer for that one since it is a marketing based one. Everybody knows marketing. Okay. So now we are going to discuss how effectively we can plan our marketing activities. Once upon a time, marketing means just a selling. But now it is not like that. Marketing moved in a different direction. Some of them used to say that branding is equivalent to marketing. If you are able to brand yourself, it is important thing. Each and every persons are ready to market themselves first. Then only they are going for their business. That is very important thing. How you are going to brand yourself? Only after branding yourself, we have to decide about the market feasibility. You know, the doctors, how they are branding, their name is important thing. Their name itself speaks about the doctor. The name given to an organization will market everything. That is important. How you are branding yourself, or in my way, how you are marketing yourself. Anybody? Even without any business. Now, how I am able to identify you or any third person, leave me, how you are able to market you. Anyone, come on. Somebody, third person, how they will identify you. Yes,
by the qualities that we have.
good qualities you have. Yes, if you are a very good academician, if you got first rank, entire college people know, oh, she got first rank, she is having very good thing. Yes, any other thing, we come on. Good angel. Yes, come on. You are all doing event management for your department. Why you are not telling?
By the use of social media.
Social media, good. I think Ruby Roy. Huh? Social media, good. How others are identifying based upon the social media. Now somebody is going to tell. Yes, some other students. How you are going to market yourself?
Sir, brand ambassador.
Emotions.
Emotions. Brand, somebody told.
Sir, brand ambassadors.
Brand ambassador. Another person told emotions. Good. Any other view? Very good. Both are correct. Brand ambassadors. Hmm. Even now we are depending upon the big B Amitabh Bachchan. Wherever he is coming, we are seeing that is the brand of Amitabh. Even when KKR enters in the field, we are seeing where is Shah Rukh Khan. We are searching here and there. See that one. These people branded themselves. But as far as concerned, we are branding with the help of social media. Very good what she answered. Once upon a time, the first girl, I think Angel somebody mentioned, based upon the quality. In those days, the annual day, in college annual day or school annual day, why the people are going, they will see who are all receiving the first prize. Based upon the clappings, their brand name will come once upon a time. But now, with the help of event management, most of them are doing MC. Even based upon that event management, they are clearly identifying, oh, this is the person from KJC. Another method, when based upon the emotions you are creating, even it may be based upon minus points or plus points. Emotional behavior. If every day, if you are doing some social service, you are standing in front of the college and directing the students, go this way. We don't use more fuel. Come by cycle. If you are in within a 1 kilometer range, your brand name will come. That is another one. But now the social media is doing tremendously well. So far, I have not seen your face in physical form. I don't know. But I think I am able to see 2 or 3 students from about you in social media. I think last week I entered into LinkedIn. I am able to see some of you in LinkedIn. That is how you are branding to me. And I am branding to you. I hope everybody is in LinkedIn. Why you are in LinkedIn? Why you on Instagram? Why you want to be in Facebook? What is the reason? Once upon a time when we were studying, we does you know what is computer? I already told you. We does you know what is the meaning of social media. Now, everyone you are entering into Instagram, Facebook, Twitter's, LinkedIn. Why? Why you want to come to the social media? Come on. Yes, come on. Don't sleep.
To keep ourselves updated, sir.
Good. Keep ourselves updated. Very good answer. 98.5% correct. You want to, others must recognize you. You are mentioning, I have updated everything. We know everything. So this is a very good thing. This is called the marketing. Simple thing. As an entrepreneur, first you are able to market you. We have discussed the professional qualities of the entrepreneur. Who are you? You are able to know whether I am having the brand value, how you will identify. Now, in case of Facebook, based upon the likes and dislikes, even dislikes is one type of branding. Now, if somebody mentioned dislike news means everybody used to mention. That is also a publicity. In LinkedIn, I am seeing your face. I think today I am able to see most of your face in LinkedIn. That is how you are marketing. If you want to do a business, first important thing is personal branding. You are able to market yourself. Here it is, dear students, it is very important. Even though for subject purpose we are studying the marketing, but real life also, your name should come forward. If any venture capital is to fund you, simply they will see who is this Adarsh, who is this Ajit, who is this Joshua, what they are doing. If you want to be even a social entrepreneur, it is very, very essential what Joshua is doing, how he is doing. We are clearly measuring how these people will know. Even Sen B. Matthew sir is telling the other day to me, one of the organization coming for recruitment to our campus, they asked the students detail in the beginning. And before coming to the interview, they clearly know their LinkedIn profile. They have already taken whatever the work they have already done. Based upon they started questions. See that one. How you are branding yourself, dear students. So this part, we are going to discuss about the branding and the marketing of you. Then only your customer. In case of market feasibility, usually it is defined to know about who are your competitors, and next thing, who are your target customer. Even now, you are posting one thing, immediately somebody from some place in Joseph College is posting or some other college is posting. What does it mean? He is going to come to a person competitor. It is an easiest method to find out who are your competitors. Social media is a very good example. If Ajit is posting immediately and Joshua is posting another comment, that means there is a competition. Very easiest method to identify your competitor, and very important thing, the customers. You must know who is your customer. If you know your customers well, you are a satisfied person. You are a successful business people. In my view, you are a successful entrepreneur. In market feasibility, you must know all these things. Who are your competitors? Who are your vendors? Vendors means from where you will buy. Who are your customers? That is the very tough job. That is why that line is very big for customers. Then industries. Which industry we need tie up? We should have a partnership with some other persons. We can't stand in our own leg for the time being. We have to depend upon our stakeholders. Then our product or our service will speak. You never speak. The brand name will speak. Make our product branded. Then the market. Market here in the sense, you may do in Bangalore, you may expand up to Mysore, then to Tumkur, then to Chennai, then to Trivandrum, another side Hyderabad. You want to expand. All these things you have to decide as a dream first, in my view. Then only you have to bring in life. These components are called the market feasibility. So in market feasibility, the first important thing, who is your customer? Who is coming to buy the things from you? You are an entrepreneur. You discovered something or you invented something. Who is going to come forward and buy your service? As an entrepreneur, as a computer science student, you design a very good app. Who is your customer? You must know. In case of journalism students, you have created a very good video about a very good documentary. Who is going to buy this thing? Whether you have to target your public. There was very good discussion. Just a week back, I noticed in CNBC TV 18, a business channel only, of course. One of the famous journalists, they interviewed that one. I'm surprised to see that one. That person is asking, you have prepared a very good documentary about a superstar from Tamil Nadu, that is Rajinikanth. I think some of you know. He has taken that Rajinikanth to some of the places in the Western Ghats in Nilgiris district and taken a very good documentary. Yes, that Rajinikanth is a very good mass. He is having a very good goodwill. Is considered as the superstar. So whether you manufacture documentary for Rajinikanth or to the people, South India, entire South India, they are having some sort of feelings towards Rajinikanth. But you know, the answer from the journalist is entirely different. I thought that he may mention, yes, I have produced the documentary for South Indians. Of course, the fans of Rajinikanth, I expect that answer. But the journalist answer is quite interesting. He simply told, I directed this documentary only for the producer. There is one TV channel name. Since this is an open forum, I need not wish to tell that producer name. He told that producer name, I directed this one only for my producer, of course, a big channel name. See that one, he never mentioned Rajinikanth. He never mentioned the people. He never mentioned the. I thought the documents are only for the people, that is for only to the mass, entire South Indian people, they are going to see the documentary. So I thought only these are all customers. But his answer is different. He mentioned my customer is my TV channel. Whatever the TV channel expects, I will document. I am a director. See that one. He knows clearly who is his customer. He never gone for research with public. The TV people know, the documentary people know clearly, the TV artists know clearly how he can make that one. He may conducted an interview with those persons. He called 8 channels in, I think 2 in Tamil Nadu another 3 from Andhra, another 1 from Trivandrum, that is in Kerala. Remaining channels are national channels. Based upon their decision, he prepared the documentary. An interesting thing to know that one. He knows who is his customer. Dear students, that you must know. I am going to ask. You are created a very good baby dress for your small kid. You have created a very nice dress. You may say that an organic dress for the kid, because kids are preferred with different colors, especially blue color, magenta, brown, that colors. So who is your target customer? Tell me. You have prepared an, yes, come on. Ajit?
Mom of the baby.
Yes, mom. Any other person? Very good. That is the customer. Same question I asked previously also. You know, kid, your design is for the kid. A design and very good dress. The kid only going to wear, but your target is not the kid, the mother. Mother only buy the product. And that is simple thing. Most of them feel that. Now I am asking the question to the microbiology students. Who is your customer if you are running a microbiology lab? Come on. First preference to life science students. Then I will come to others. Any life science students? Come on. For your, don't worry whether your answer is correct or wrong. Come on. On
Patients.
patient, yes. He is mentioning patient. Any other answer? Come on.
So scientists and doctors.
Scientists and doctors. Yes, some other answer. Sabha is having another answer.
Pharmaceutical industry.
Pharmaceutical industry. Good. Hmm. Yes. Of course, one answer is for, but patient or the person coming with the patient. That is important. Same question I asked in Apollo hospitals in Bangalore. I think some of you in that Banirghata road. One of the doctors visited our campus to our MBA students to address about the how the corporate hospitals are functioning. Same question I asked. Hey, whom you are targeting? Because number of patients are coming. I think your patients are high caliber person, high rich person. Apollo hospitals used to target MPs, MLAs, or high business people. I asked, so whether they are your customers, but his answer is different. He clearly told, of course, we are going to give treatment for the patients, but our customers are not patients. The person accompanying the patient. And suddenly I thought, then only I referred the new marketing book written by the very famous person called Philip Kotler. See that one? He clearly mentioned the person accompanying the patient. Who is coming along with the patient? We have to target, not the patient. But the testing, everything is going for the patient. That is your style. That is, of course, that is essential. That is from operation side. But if you want to market, why the reason? Patient is unable to tell anything. He is a patient. He can't take decision. Some cases, if nobody is accompanying with him, means he is the customer as well as the patient. But somebody is accompanying with patient means patient may be unconscious some cases. Patient can't take decision. Who will take the decision? Either the mother or father of the patient, or according to the person who is accompanying the patient. He is the customer. He is the target customer. Dear students, that is the thing. If you are able to find your customer, success in entrepreneurship. You may invent something different. Who will buy? That means, that is a simple definition they used to say. The person who is satisfied about your product or service is called customer. Be clear, the person who is satisfied with your product or service are called as customers. Dear students, once upon a time they used to say only the person who is consuming or buying your product are customers. Now it has changed. That's why one day I told the example of dog biscuit. In case of dog biscuit, who is considered as the customer? Either dog or the master? Come on. Yes, Jiki?
Master, sir.
Yes, good, master. Be clear. Because dog never says that I am satisfied. Simply it will show the tail, but who will buy? The master. You have to target. Even computer science students, you should be very careful. You may create a very good app. You want to go to market that app. You may go to some organization. A number of persons will talk. Never give importance. Find out your target customer. Usually, when you are going with your new app, anything, a person first will come, okay, show your app, what you are doing. Definitely, he won't be a customer. You should be very careful in finding out your customer. That is a very challenging one in case of computer science students, especially you want to sell your software. The CEO of the organization may be the powerful. He may take decision, means he is your customer. But in some of the cases, the operation manager, the CTO, chief operating manager, or chief technical officer, this person only take decision about that one. These persons are called as the customer. Be clear. If you find your customer, your problem has been solved. It is very easy to motivate, but most of them in entrepreneurship, they find it very tough. The reason is they doesn't know who is their actual customer. Be clear. You have to identify your customer. The person who is satisfied about your product. In case of journalists, you are preparing any documentary. You may argue that this documentary is very good because I have taken more risk in Brigadier Road, MG Road Junction, and it will definitely attract. No. You have to sell only to the TV channels. The TV channels may expect something. According to them, only you have to do journalism. Of course, you may not agree with me because of ethical issue, but that is going on. If you want to survive, you have to find out the market. You have to satisfy the TV channels. Then only you can sell that product. Very important thing. That is why the definition of the customer, nobody knows. It is in the hands of the marketer. As an entrepreneur, try to find out your customer. Who is your customer? Most of the persons, they used to market to non-customers. They can't take decision, but you are speaking to them unwantedly. That is why most of the startups are said to be failed. You discovered a new app, you discovered a new product. Biotechnology students created a very good organic product. Whom you will sell? Who is your customer? Who is going to buy your product? That is the marketing. First stage, in case of market feasibility, is target customer. That is why the social media is playing the role. How you can easily identify your customer? You can showcase in today in Instagram. If you have created a new product, Let us assume this product you are manufacturing. You can post something in your Instagram. Somebody will ask, what is this? What is the use of buying this product? They may ask. In such case, it is easy to find out the customer. That is why now most of them are moving towards the digital marketing. The social media is playing the very, very important role in case of marketing to find out the target customers. That is why first thing, brand yourself. You are the first person. As an entrepreneur, brand yourself, then brand your product. But you have to brand to the exact person. That is, you have to brand to your customer. That is core thing you must know. That is why in marketing, you know, it includes the market description of the industry. Industry means the entire customer group whom you are targeting. Even I used to see the medical ads only in Economic Times paper. I wondered why these people are giving advertisement for the hospitals in the Economic Times paper, because no layman will buy the Economic Times paper. Only the business people will buy Economic Times paper and read. I asked one of the small medical hospital, they are given the ad in Economic Times. I think some of you know it is located in the Ring Road, Hennur Cross only. We asked the question, why you need customers from this area, Hennur to Hebbal maybe, or up to Tin Factory? But you are giving advertisement in Economic Times. Why? A simple answer. I am not targeting patient. You know, patients are not my customer. I am targeting big industrial people. Why you are targeting industrial people? I asked. His answer is good. If an industry people gone through that one, we have introduced the insurance scheme for the employees. You can come and treat in our hospital. You can pay premium of just 100 rupees per month. You can take the free treatment for 1 year up to 50,000 rupees. They mentioned. If I tell this story to people, local Kannada channel or local Kannada people or local people residing in this area, only 1 or 2 patient will come to our hospital. But if this advertisement has been taken over by one industry nearby my place, they will send entire employees to me. An IT company manager will go through this Economic Times, and if he accepted, I will expect minimum 500 employees of that organization. That is why I am targeting Economic Times paper instead of local Bangalore Mirror. See that one. That is important. Dear students, you must be able to market yourself. Even social entrepreneurs. You have to market. You must know who is your target audience. Here, in case of this market analysis, when you are presenting to the venture capitalists, their question will be like that. Who are your target audience? I already told you in case of Jack Ma story we have discussed. Yeah, I told dance like a Jack Ma. Because Jack Ma is to enlarge his business in South Africa. If Jack Ma tells my product is like this, then they won't understand. How he made? They asked him to dance. He danced for his own customer. Then he introduced the product. Then the name Jack Ma becomes a brand name. Africans finally find out, oh, Jack Ma, Jack Ma, Jack Ma. Then only they identified Alibaba. But it is just yours in European countries. European countries, Alibaba is the name. Based upon that, they identified who is Jack Ma. But in the South African countries, it is not like that. Oh, this person is dancing. Who is that fellow? Jack Ma. Who is Jack Ma? He is the owner of Alibaba. What is that Alibaba? They are selling number of products in online. See that one. Based upon the country and culture, it will vary. That is why Jack Ma identified his own target customer clearly. And even he used to dance. In market analysis, you must know, of course, competition, the future market, then only you are able to estimate your sales. You can see the simple example of IVR market, a glass, how they used to project the market. See that one, global statistics, that in 2018 they mentioned that before going to the market you will know which area, industrial sector we have discussed one day, which area you are going to do the business. For that area, how the market size is there, not customers. This is based upon the market. You can see for IVR market, simple glass, $120 billion market in 2018. In 2025, it may grow by another 50 billion. These are all the sample reports already available. So before identifying the target customers, you must know the market size. Once if you identify the market size, then you can target the customers clearly. See that one. Here they estimated spectacles market share is 55%, plano sunglasses. You have to identify the product, then you have to identify the market for the product. Here they identified. In case of microbiology lab, here, how they identified that one. The America led the global microbiology lab. So Americans used to prefer. That is the global marketing I'm telling. In case of India, Bangalore is having a very good market. Who is driving the biotechnology market and bio labs? The growing population. Since the population is growing, in case of India, that is the plus point. It is driving the market. Then now, in case of biotechnology students, you may not believe outsourcing of drug is the first one. If you introduce the new chemicals, new drug, you can't manufacture in your name. You have to mention somebody's name. That is the outsourcing. You can sell to Americans, you can sell to Europeans. This is a very big challenge now. But most of the entrepreneurs are doing that one only. When you are going for European countries in London, you can see, so you can buy some of the tablets, but actually it's manufactured from Pune or in Bangalore. That is the market, outsourcing of marketing. Outsourcing of your product is going. You have to find out that one. And they mentioned that the compound annual growth rate, CAGR means compound annual growth rate is 5% by 2022. These are all the basic things. You have to refer some of the newspapers before going to the business. Then only you can start your business. What is the size of the market? Here, the corona virus, when it entered, somebody estimated what will be the markets in new abnormal. Very important thing in marketing is you have to estimate 4 things. First one, we used to call it as product. This is called 4 P's of marketing. First P, product. Which product you want to sell. Then how you will fix the price. Then where you will market. Last one, how you are going to promote. All these 4 things you are going to decide after the target customer. First, you are going to see the global market report, how your industry is going. Second thing, you are identifying your target customer. Then who are your competitors. After that only, if you want to prepare a feasibility study, you have to prepare what are all the products you are going to manufacture. What will be its price? Where you are going to do, how you are going to promote. All these four things are very, very essential for the marketing persons. Product means very important thing, the design, quality, even functionality, technology, branding. I told. Very important thing in product is branding. Of course, first quality is important. You are doing a very good service. You must know, brand your product. First, when you are a customer, when you are an entrepreneur, you have to brand yourself. After that, you must know how to brand your product. Hindustan Unilever, you can see there are a number of products. Each and every product they have branded. Hammam soap. Each number of brand name it is having. You must know. Even banking sector, now they are branding their loan. Car loan, they have given a different name now. They wish to brand. So every service sector, in case of the software, the Oracle is a very good brand name. That is why if you are having a very good app, if you have created a very good coding, use Oracle first. Join hands with Oracle, start your business. Then only your brand name will come. First, you will do business in the name of Oracle. Oracle will give you a patent right. You can do along with Oracle. Then, after familiarizing everything, you can come alone and you can do, because your brand name will come out. First, you are using the Oracle brand name. Then you are using your brand name. Likewise, microbiology, you can join hands with Biocon. Nothing wrong in it. You may be a very good entrepreneur. You can join hands with Biocon. Then after your names comes well, you can start your own branded product. That is the thing you must know. Product. Service is very, very important thing. Even travel and tourism. Your service only speak. You may have a travel and tourism to have a desert safari in Dubai. You have to brand it very clearly. What is desert safari? How you are creating the advertisement for desert safari. That is important. You are branding. Come and visit God's own country. Visit the boathouse. You have to brand clearly. If you are going in the boathouse, what are all the things you are going to identify? Branding your boathouse. You are telling, we are going to give all these services from that one. Very interesting thing. You must know. You must know clearly the product, how to brand the product. I have seen one advertisement recently. They mentioned, take 2 rupees insurance, you will get 96 lakhs car. See that advertisement. Get 2 rupees insurance for your product, get 96 lakhs car free. Suddenly wonder, see that one, how they are promoting, how they branded the car. If you want to insure, what are the essential things? Only after buying the car, you can insure that one. Otherwise, you can't insure. But how they projected? Get 2 rupees insurance and you will get 96 lakh rupees car. See that one. How these people are doing, whether it is ethical or unethical, we don't know. But the product quality, you must know the branding. Then only the packaging services will happen. If you are doing this business, find out the product. And when you are finding the product, you must know how to brand that product to others. If you are running a travel and tourism, you must know how to brand your travel and tourism product to others. Yes, I will tell one story recently. I think you know about one of the famous person from India. He's a very big business tycoon. He ran one airlines. He was having the big beverage factory. He is having one mall in Bangalore also. I think you know now. Such a very big person. He was having one resort in one island nearby Haiti in Indian Ocean. So one day the manager from that organization used to inform his CEO that, sir, tsunami waves are going to come. So all the travel and tourism agents here, the resort owners, they are closing their resorts. Even they are packing important things, and they decided to send back to Cochin by ship. What can I do? See that one. This person is telling, why you want to pack up and bring everything to India? We are running business. Why you want to shut up all these things? He told, then he prepared a very big report. As per our meteorological department, heavy tsunami waves have been projected within a week time. So, if tsunami waves come, since our resorts are nearby sea, it may be destroyed and it may lead to severe loss. So, since there's a loss, not only loss, even there may be people who may die because of tsunami waves. Then, once again, that he was waiting, definitely the CEO will tell that we can wind up our resort and we can move safely to India. But suddenly, the next message came from CEO. Next ship will come to that island by tomorrow evening. Get the items from the ship and fix it in our resort. This manager was worrying. What I am telling, he's telling some things are going to coming from India. We have to fix it here. He assumed that we can pack everything and send everything through the ships along with him. He can escape that island. But see that one, the reply is different from the CEO. CEO is a very big person, some of you know. I need not wish to tell his name. His quality as an entrepreneur. I'm telling for him that one. Whether he is good or bad, we need not worry. As an entrepreneur, what isn't? Okay, this person was totally confused. And he's waiting for the ship. Finally, next day, he didn't have even food, everything, waiting for the ship, and ship came. And around in the ship, 50% equipments are for that resort. It consists of big glass shield. A big glass shields in different places to fit. And even the roof consists of a glass. There's some instructions. These are all the glass shield. You have to fit in one roof. These are all the side walls. These are all the things you are going to fit, plus some other shields. These things you have to install as per the direction. This is the engineer. Was terribly shocked. Why this person is sending all those things? As an manager, he had to follow what his CEO mentioned. Okay, he call his people working in that resort and bring that one and install, no other way. Then he used to sit. Once again he said, sir, tsunami is going to come. We have installed the glass shields, glass room, which was very costly. If it damaged, you will punish me. You mentioned like that and send the report. CEO told, don't worry, open our resort booking in the system. So then he came and sit in front of the system. He opened his own resort. Suddenly, he was surprised to see the advertisement. Those who are ready to take the adventure, see that one. Those who are ready to take the adventure to see tsunami waves live, come to our resorts. We are ready to provide per day. We are charging just 50,000. Advertisement was like that. See that one. Those who are ready to take the adventure challenge, come and visit our resort. We are going to witness the tsunami waves. You can stay. We won't harm you. We have already installed the tsunami shields everywhere, glass shields everywhere. And some images were portrayed. These are all the shields we are going to install. You can sit inside this room and see the tsunami waves just for 50,000 per day. Usually for that resort, they will charge only 5,000 rupees. But this advertisement, and you can see these advertisements are targeted where there is hill, especially, in case of Indian region, Himalayas, foreign tourists and travelers who are doing these adventure games, especially European customers and South American customers. That advertisement was within 1 hour, the resort was fully booked by paying 50,000 for 7 days. Per day 50,000, most of them booked for 50,000 into 7. See that one. As usual, this person was once again aggravated. What is going to happen? Then, as usual, he did, because it is instruction from the CEO. Next day, the tourists used to come that place. Every day they will earn only 5,000. Now they are earning 50,000 per person. With, as usual, on the day of tsunami, he expected the big waves will come. Only waves come, but there was no tsunami, just 1 meter. And these tourists used to see and enjoy the waves. Nothing has been affected. That manager know what is the decision by the CEO, how he marketed. All the other resort people went out, but this only resort survived. The tourists enjoyed everything by paying 50,000 per day as adventure game. That is the entrepreneurship work. How that person marketed, that person, now he is in London. He escaped from India. Of course, he is an unethical, done number of unethicals, but his entrepreneurship style, taking the risk. What is the product in this example? Anybody? That person, what he marketed? What is the product? Have you? Yes, any student. I told the story of that one. What is the product here?
Natural disaster.
Natural disaster, good. Making a simple event as a product. Tsunami as a product. You won't believe. You can ask in Haiti Islands. Because that manager is the brother of our student. That is the entrepreneur. What is the price here? Tell me. How you fix the price for that product? Yes, come on. For staying in this resort, how much he fixed? Yes, students come. You are sleeping. What happened? Usually some of these, only few students are answering. Huh? What happened? Yes, anybody?
50,000 per.
Yes, 50,000 rupees. Why other students are not answering? Whether everybody is sleeping or listening?
Listening, sir.
Listening.
Listening, sir.
Listening, sir.
Okay, good. Now only I'm hearing. You have to participate. See that one. The price. What is the place? What do you mean by place here in the story? Come on.
Resort, sir.
Yes, resort is the eighth element. Only from the place is the tourist destination. From European countries, he bring the tourists, South American countries. That is the place. A tsunami in Indian Ocean is a product. The customers are from the place of South America, especially from Brazil, Argentina. See that one. How he promoted. He never gave advertisement to small area, especially in Sri Lanka and Indians. That advertisement was targeted in such a place. Because in those countries, there are a number of adventurous tourists. Adventurism is considered as a tourist. They targeted that place, even in case of Russia, Almaty. All these places they target. That is the place. How he promoted. See there. What is the promotion? Anybody can tell. What do you mean by promotion here in this story? Yes?
Yeah, sir.
Yes. They had adventurism. See that one. That is the marketing of an entrepreneur. Dear students, this an actual thing happened. How these 4 P's are integrated by an entrepreneur. You must know, taking the risk is entrepreneur, that everyone knows. But the risk taking is marketed. Product, yes, tsunami is a product he considered. He fixed heavy price to get that income. He marketed Haiti islands in South American countries. He promoted with the adventure tourism. That is how the business is going on. That is the marketing. Once if you find the customer, then you must decide about all the 4 P's of marketing. Here is another example. You have to decide how the product will be, or how we can fix the price, where we can market, how to promote our product. You must know this thing in ventureship. Even in case of small business, here you can see a marketing product of one of the organizations, Surf. These are all the product. Simple thing. Anyhow, I told you different story. These are all Unilever. Price. How they are fixing the price. You can see that one. 200 ml, 60 rupees. 500 ml, 120 rupees only. See that one. This is the pricing technique. How you can price that one. You must know how to price that one. Then only we can attract. Pricing includes a discount, whether the discount is original or not. But as an Indians, if there's a discount, then only they will come forward. You must know in case of preparing the market feasibility. Promotion. You can see how in case of Surf Excel, they are promoting by telling the original stories, but how they are exaggerating. That is important. But you should not tell any lies in promotion. You know, that is very important thing. When you are planning, simple thing you must know. You have to promote, otherwise there won't be any income. Even in case of social entrepreneurs, you must promote. Cry, how they are promoting calendars everywhere. Even in case of pencil, you can see the name called Cry. A very big social ventures. Even they are promoting their product. Place. You can see in case of the Surf Excel where the product will be available. Big Bazaar, etc., etc. Retail units. You must know. Even if you have done a microbiology lab, what is the place? From which area customer will come? How you are going to satisfy? That is the marketing place. Okay. Then, as I've already mentioned, the brand. Without branding, there is no marketing. We already discussed. You have to do how to brand your product. You have to give some name, or even you can do something, even the image, the color, design will speak. In case of Pepsi, if you see that one, it is speaking. That is the brand. First itself, you have to give importance. Even in case of psychology students, if you are running a lab, clinical lab, you must know how to brand. Every services you have to mention your name. That too in a different style. You can see the Dove soap. They change their brand every years. In 1940, they mentioned it is only a milky soap. In 1950, they mentioned it is only a beauty bar. In 1960, launched into the regular market as a toilet soap. Then 1970, they mentioned it is a mildred soap. Then 1980, it is recommended by doctors. They used to mention 1990 beauty wash. Now it is in the Dove. Nobody will ask what is the Dove. So it takes more years for a soap, but for your product, we are expecting a good brand name. So in marketing, you must know clearly who are all your customers, who are your target customers. Another thing, who are your competitors. Then the 4 P's of marketing, the product. What is your product? Then how you are going to price. Then place, where you are going to sell. Finally, how you are going to promote. These are all the basic things we needed for the entrepreneur. So when you are writing the market feasibility, these are all the things asked by the venture capitalists. What is your product? What is where you are going to do your business? How you are going to promote? So these are all the essential things for the market feasibility. I think we can stop with that one. So my question to the second one, try to write who are the target customer for your dream business. Okay. For second hour question, you can take up to time till Sunday night, midnight 11:59. But I expect around 71% correct answer. In the Google form, take that one. Who is your target customer for your dream venture? You are already having dream venture. For that dream venture, who are your target customer? I already told, if you are defining your target customer, you will be successful in marketing. So whether you are able to identify who are your target customer? No answers from you.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Also, sir,
Yes.
can you repeat once the first hour question?
Yes. First our question asked, what is, simply speaking, what is your break-even point? If you are running a microbiology lab, how many customers? You need not make estimation simply by assumption. How many customers you are expecting your business to obtain the break-even? That is no profit, no loss. After that, you will gain more. What is your expectation about number of customers? If you are a microbiology student, if you are a computer science student, how many clients you are expecting? If you are a psychology student, How many customers? Same thing you are expecting. If you are a journalist, how many documentary films you have to make to obtain the break-even point? If you want to make a product, how many units you can sell to achieve your break-even point? Likewise, if you are a social entrepreneur, how many events you want to make to obtain the break-even? That is the first question. Are you able to understand? Yes?
Yes, sir. But
Ah.
sir, how many customers, as in, yearly wise, monthly wise, or
Yeah, that you can decide monthly wise. Hmm. It depends upon, you can mention clearly. If the 200 customers are coming per month, it will be my break even. Good, your question is correct. Hmm. You need not go for technical things for calculating fixed cost, variable cost. It is somewhat tough for you. You can tell me the dream answer. Okay? Hmm.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, ma. Okay, then we'll meet on next Monday. In the meantime, complete the exercise in our LMS. I hope you are able to complete. Some of the students, they have not entered into the LMS also. If the report shows like that. So every day we are also watching the LMS. So try to complete. Okay?
Can you repeat the second question once again, please?
Yes. Second ever question is relating who are your target customer?
Thank you, sir.
Hmm. Okay, good. We'll meet on next Monday. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Have a nice
you, sir.
weekend, sir.
Oh, nice. Now only I'm seeing some of your face here. Good.